south one to the wall away. The bastard rides to the endless ice, while in the dark a killer blinks his eyes. A blade of steel for the sleeping child.
But Catelyn fights with her bleeding hands to hold the line in the northern lands. The shadow wolf springs with a fury wild, tears out the throat to protect the child.
Hear the cry,
feel the pain.
The paths are stained
by the lion's reign.
The wolves are bleeding.
The kingdom sighs
on the Kingsroad.
The innocence dies.
Hold the night watch. Winter is coming.
The prince is bleeding from a golden tooth. The wicked queen wants the head of youth. The sister flees to the forest deep, but one sweet wolf is put to sleep.
Ned holds the blade with a heavy heart. The bond of blood is torn apart.
The steel strikes down in the winter chill.
The wolf is dead, but the boy awakes still. Hear the cry,
feel the pain.
The paths are stained
by the lion's reign.
The wolves are bleeding.
The kingdom sighs
on the Kingsroad.
The innocence dies.
Hold the night watch. Winter is coming.